Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic innovations in biotechnology products and its types. Biotech objectives. Biotechnology introduce the attendance to biotechnology and its applications. Products. Understand the biotechnology products types. Learn about product categories in biotechnology industries. 68% global biotech product types. 68% of all biotech products are classified by biopharmaceuticals. The rest are made up of bioagricultural, bioindustrial, and environmental biotech products. Biotech types, products types. This column graph displays the varying types of biotechnology products. The x-axis represents different types of products while the y-axis represents the percentage of products in each category. A closer look at the data reveals that the most common biotechnology products are enzymes at 32%, followed by monoclonal antibodies at 22%, with vaccines at 20%. Finally, small molecule therapeutics represent 15% of biotech products, with recombinant proteins representing 11%. Biotech variety. Product types. This line graph displays the different types of products within the biotechnology industry, including pharmaceutical, medical devices, and agricultural products. The graph highlights the growth trends of each product type over the past decade. Biotech timeline. 10 years ago, overfunding team developed the first product concept. 5 years ago, we revolutionized the industry with our first product launch. 2 years ago, we introduced a new wave of plant based supplements. Present, we continue to innovate our product line. Revolutionary biotech innovation at the forefront of biotechnology products and types. Transgenic bacteria. Transgenic bacteria are genetically modified bacteria that have had foreign genes inserted into their genetic material. This process involves the introduction of specific DNA sequences for one organism into the genome of the bacteria. These inserted genes can come from other bacteria, viruses, plants, animals, or even synthesized in a laboratory. Some common uses of transgenic bacteria include production of pharmaceutical. Transgenic bacteria are used to produce therapeutic proteins such as insulin, growth hormones, vaccines, and antibodies for medical purposes. Bioremediation. Certain transgenic bacteria have been engineered to break down pollutants and contaminants in the environment, aiding in the cleanup of oil spills or toxic waste. Agriculture. Bacteria can be modified to confer specific traits in crops such as resistance to pests, tolerance to herbicides, or enhanced nutritional content. Industrial applications. Transgenic bacteria are amplified in the production of enzymes, biofuels, and other chemicals used in various industries. Transgenic plants. Transgenic plant, also known as genetically modified GM or genetically engineered GE plants, are plants that have had their genetic material altered using genetic engineering techniques. This involves the introduction of foreign genes or modifications to the plant's DNA to confer specific desirable traits. These modifications are typically made to improve certain characteristics of the plant, such as pest resistance. Some transgenic plants are engineered to produce toxins that are harmful to specific pests, thereby reducing the need for chemical pesticides. For example, certain varieties of Bt Bacillus thuringiensis crops produce a protein toxic to certain insect pests. Herbicide tolerance. Certain transgenic plants are designed to tolerate specific herbicides, allowing farmers to apply these herbicides to kill weeds without harming to crops. Disease resistance. Transgenic plant can be engineered to resist certain diseases caused by viruses, bacteria, or fungi, thus reducing crop losses. Improved nutritional content. There are efforts to enhance the nutritional value of plants, such as increasing vitamin content or modifying the fatty acid composition of oils. Environmental stress tolerance. Some transgenic plants are engineered to better withstand environmental stresses such as drought, salinity, or extreme temperatures, potentially improving their adaptability to challenging growing conditions. Transgenic animals. Transgenic animals are animals that have had their genetic material initially altered by the introduction of foreign DNA or specific modifications to their genome. This genetic modification can involve the addition, deletion, or modification of genes in the animal's DNA. Transgenic animals are created for various purposes, including biomedical research. The, they are valuable models for studying human diseases, genetics, and the function of specific genes. By introducing genes associated with certain human diseases into animals, scientists can observe disease progression, test potential therapies, and better understand biology processes, biotechnology, and agriculture. Transgenic animal can be engineered to produce specific proteins such as pharmaceutical or industrial enzymes in their milk, blood, or tissues. They might also be modified to exhibit desirable traits in agriculture like disease resistant, improved growth rates, or enhanced nutritional content. Organ transport transplantation. Some research involves modifying pigs or other animals to produce organs suitable for transplantation into humans, potentially addressing the shortage of human organs for transplantation. The creation of transgenic animals involves several techniques, including microinjection. Foreign DNA is injected into the fertilized egg at the single cell stage. The injected DNA can integrate into the animal genome, leading to the development of a transgenic animal. Gene editing technology like CRISPR or Cas9 allow scientists to precisely modify genes in the animal embryos, enabling target gene editing to create desired genetic changes. Biotechnology overview presentation. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and sharing my video.